So today my parents are coming to visit me in Danang for the first time. I haven't seen them in 5 months. This is my mom and dad's first time in Vietnam. Hey everyone! Welcome to Avatar Hotel in Da Nang, Vietnam. This is the hotel where my parents stayed. Let's take a quick look around. Today my breakfast is quite unusual, because I'm going to have it at the hotel restaurant. You can eat here even if you're not the hotel guest. Just pay 150k dong and you're good to go. That's roughly $6. They got some Vietnamese dishes here as well. But you can stick to familiar stuff like rice, meat, and pasta. The sweet section offers desserts and yogurt. I'm especially happy to see peanut butter here. The fruit section could be more diverse, but you can try longan and dragon fruit. Breakfast is served. I can't eat much in the morning, but I always make an exception for buffet-style breakfast. My plate may look messy, but the taste is what really matters now. I haven't eaten bacon in a very long time. And this is rice batter pancake. I couldn't resist a few fries with ketchup. I simply love peanut butter as well as PBJs. Can't have it without coffee. Let's give this little donut a try. Simple but tasty. This bar area is adjacent to the hotel lobby. Looks like they're selling some souvenirs here too. What souvenir would you bring from Vietnam? We spent the morning walking around and now it's time to have more food. This time I want to show mom and dad some authentic Vietnamese food. Do you know these savory crispy pancakes? I showed them in my vlog from Hoi An. And these guys need no introduction. But I'll introduce anyway. Spring rolls with shrimp, everyone. Yummy and healthy. After some more walking, we make a pit stop at a coffee shop. You can't leave Vietnam without trying local coffee. Coffee is a huge part of Vietnamese culture, and I like it more than the Western kinds. I adore the smell and taste of coffee, and local coffee gives you exactly that. No hesitant foreplay, just a concentrated blast of pure flavor straight into your mouth. They have a little room in the corner. I'm no expert, but it looks like it has something to do with prepping coffee beans. How do you brew your coffee? These are milk coffee and white coffee. To be honest, I'm still trying to remember the difference. I guess white coffee is supposed to be milkier than milk coffee? I know, don't ask. Finally, we get to the grand dining event of this whole day. This is Bikini Bottom, and it's super popular with tourists. I think the best description for it would be an American-style fast food joint. The place is packed, so we snatched the only available table upstairs. Check out this cute menu. Hit the pause button if you want to know how much American food is in Vietnam. I started the party with a burger called Baconator. It's fantastic if you want to know. We got a word that a table outside just freed up, so we're dashing downstairs. Here we go. It's much nicer to eat with some tropical breeze on your face. I'll go for the mozzarella sticks. Subscribe if you like this channel. Next up, grilled cheese with a meat patty. Delicious. Lastly, I tried the poutine. I can barely move my feet from all the food. We're headed back to my parents' hotel. It's a 2-minute walk from Bikini Bottom. Before this vlog ends, I want to show you the nice view of Danang at night. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.